Are you wondering how to use CrankWheel with Facebook ads to boost your conversion rates and sales? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick CrankWheel explainer, we're diving into exactly how to integrate CrankWheel with Facebook ads and how it can elevate your customer interactions. First thing, let's break down what CrankWheel is all about. CrankWheel is a screen sharing software designed for businesses that want to give a personalized experience to their potential customers. It allows you to share your screen instantly with leads during a call without them having to install anything. But here's the twist, it doesn't just stop at basic screen sharing. The real value comes when you pair it with Facebook ads, which is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Next thing, let's talk about how CrankWheel can help you make the most of your Facebook ads. By using Facebook ads, you're likely attracting potential leads, but it can be difficult to stand out in a crowded market. That's where CrankWheel's screen sharing feature comes in. It allows you to quickly connect with your leads by giving them a personalized walkthrough right from your Facebook ads. When a potential customer clicks on your ad, you can trigger a real-time connection using CrankWheel to walk them through exactly what you're offering. The third thing is the automation behind it. Once you set up CrankWheel with your Facebook ads, you don't need to be glued to your desk for every call. CrankWheel can automatically trigger the sharing session, so the minute someone interacts with your ad, they get connected with you without needing to open any additional apps. This streamlines the sales process, and we all know how crucial that is for keeping your leads engaged. The fourth thing, CrankWheel has the flexibility to adapt to various industries. Whether you're selling products, services, or even just offering consultations, CrankWheel integrates smoothly with your Facebook ad strategy to enhance your customer interactions. The ability to share product details, demos, or other relevant info with just one click can be a game changer in a competitive market. Now, let's talk about something you need to consider. While CrankWheel is great, there are some limitations. It's highly effective, but its functionality can be a bit restrictive when compared to some other platforms, especially if you're looking for more robust CRM features, deeper integrations, or analytics. This is important if you're serious about scaling, which brings us to alternatives. There are a few tools out there that offer similar screen sharing features, but also go a step further in integrating with your entire sales funnel. These alternatives could offer deeper functionality like CRM integration, advanced analytics, and enhanced workflow automations, which may be more suited to your long-term goals. I'll explain more about these alternatives in just a moment. And here's the open loop. Stick around until the end of this video, because I'll not only share how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial to CrankWheel, but also reveal which competitor is really worth considering. This competitor could save you time and increase efficiency with more advanced features. So, before I go further into alternatives, let me tell you this. If you want to try CrankWheel, you can do so through our link to get an exclusive extended free trial, along with some amazing perks that are only available to you as a viewer of this video. But here's where it gets interesting. I've also found some fantastic alternatives that are even better for scaling your business. These alternatives offer great free trials too, and could be a much better fit for your goal of driving high-quality leads and closing more deals from Facebook ads. Check out the link below for the best free trial available through our exclusive offer. This will give you access to all the features you need for success. Whether you choose CrankWheel or the alternatives I mentioned, the choice is yours, but be sure to explore all your options. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Facebook ad strategy.